Oh boy, 2021 has already started off with some serious body shaming issues. Kumail Nanjiani became a trending topic on Twitter as he was body shamed for being too buff after he posted photos on his Instagram over the holidays with his wife doing some pretty normal things like eating food because that's what you do during the holidays. Kumail is preparing for his role in the upcoming Marvel's The Eternals, where he will be playing the immortal alien Kingo, but people are debating whether his physical transformation for the film is a bit too much. Many people are left wondering if Kumail has started to use steroids to bulk up for the role, and they are blaming him for perpetuating unrealistic body image standards. One Twitter user said, "The Kumail Nanjiani thing makes me very sad. Our culture has created a system where people attempt to conform to impossible beauty standards to a point where it starts to render them unrecognizable." Another tweet said that Kumail looked unnatural and grotesque. Now, while people were quick to body shame Kumail for his physique, many people came to his defense because in their opinion, this entire discourse is racist because many white actors who played superheroes in the past have had to bulk for the roles, but they avoided scrutiny, so why the heck is Kumail being bombarded? One Twitter user put it quite simply: Kumail Nanjiani gets cancelled for bulking up for a superhero movie and people claiming he's using steroids. But in the same breath, they fawn over all the Chris's for setting the standard of male bodies and praise them for looking buff. Quite interesting. See what he did there? Kumail has been very open this entire time about his physical transformation, saying that he required the best trainers and nutritionists paid for by the biggest studio in the world to achieve his physique. So, what do you guys think? Have people gone way too far with body shaming Kumail, or is it a race thing, or are their opinions right? Let us know in the comments below.